Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial today, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this question on the board. And the question says we should find the inverse of this function. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at Shabez Online Tutorial. So let's get started. Solution. So the question on the board says we should find the inverse of this function. F of s is equal to 2s squared minus 6. So the first thing we need to do here is to rewrite our function. This is our question. So is to rewrite this our function, and the function is f of s is equal to 2s squared minus 6. So the next thing for us to do is to interchange f of s as y. Anywhere we see f of s, we replace it as y. So we are going to have, in place of this f of s, is going to be y will be equal to 2s squared minus 6. So after we have changed f of s to y, the next thing for us to do is to switch s with y. Anywhere we see s, we interchange it as y, and if we see y, we replace it as s. So we are going to have, in place of this y, it will be s will be equal to 2. In place of this s, it will be y squared, then minus 6. So the next thing for us to do is to make this y here the subject of the formula. So let's add 6 to both sides so that we can eliminate this negative 6. So we are going to have s is equal to 2y squared minus 6. Then add 6 to both sides. We are going to have positive 6 here and positive 6 here. So that our new equation is going to be s plus 6 will be equal to 2y squared. Then negative 6 plus positive 6 is going to be cancelled because negative 6 positive 6 is going to be 0. So the next thing for us to do, since we are making y the subject of the formula, and this 2 is attached to y squared. First of all, let us divide both sides by the coefficient of this y squared, which is 2, in order to eliminate this 2. So I'll have my s plus 6 will be equal to 2y squared divided by 2, then divided by 2, so that this can cancel this. So I'm left with s plus 6 is over 2 is equal to y squared. So the next thing we are going to do here, since we are looking for the value of y, not y squared, so we are going to take the square root of both sides so that we can eliminate this square. So I'll have square root of s plus 6 over 2 is equal to square root of y squared, so that this square will cancel this square root. So I'll have a square root of s plus 6 over 2 is equal to y. So after we have successfully making y the subject of the formula, therefore the inverse of this function, we are going to have the inverse of this function s will be equal to square root of s plus 6 over 2. So this is the inverse of this function, 2s squared minus 6. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at Shabez Online Tutorial. Thanks.